Today, I'm going to tell you about an amazing image captured by the Hubble Space Telescope. These starbursts are taking place in deep space, far beyond our galaxy, where we are witnessing a star-birth storm. This spiral structure is actually the result of starbirth in a distant galaxy. As a result of galaxy collisions in the universe, the gas in the galaxy is compressed and lots of new stars are born. And these star explosions cause massive energy storms. In a way, it's the birth pains of the universe. Thanks to Hubble, we can clearly see every detail of this image. In every corner of the spiral structure, there are glimmers of brand new stars. These stars play an incredibly important role in the evolution of the galaxy. New stars don't just give off light, they also affect the gas, dust, and even other objects around them. So the universe is actually constantly changing, expanding and growing. But the most amazing thing is that this image from Hubble reminds us of one thing. The universe never stops. It is constantly moving, turning, and changing. Each star is part of a big story in the universe, and Hubble is revealing this story. Just imagine, these starbursts are witnesses to how a galaxy is shaped. Perhaps thanks to such events, we are one step closer to unlocking the secrets of the universe. Who knows, one day we might even find other life forms among these stars. What these images tell us is this: the universe is infinite and waiting to be explored. And thanks to Hubble, we are witnessing this gigantic spiral of star explosions. Each new star we gaze upon reveals another secret. Thank you for watching. If you liked this video, please don't forget to like and subscribe. See you in the next video and take care.